Hey you all, welcome back to my channel. Please watch this while I do my toddlers hair. These are basic hairstyles for kids, toddlers. As you can see, Miss Boss is giving me a hard time, but I'm using a Cantu leave-in conditioner to soften her hair. She has 4C hair, trying to comb it out, but she's kind of cooperating. For a 2-year-old, I'll give her a 6 on 10. So pretty much I'm just parting her hair into 5, as you can see, and I'm using rubber bands. I tied it at the back, you can see, smoothened it out, tied it at the back with some rubber bands, and then at the front I'll just split it in the middle and try to remove the part where I'm gonna twist it up, and then the other part I'm still gonna use rubber bands and make like a bow. So yeah, enjoy while the process lasts. Miss Boss a little bit cooperative, and then I pat it, put some German shine, make the lines neat, comb it a little bit, and then tie down with the rubber band. These are just basic styles for your toddlers. It can last for about a week. So as you can see, Miss Boss has a lot of hair, and I do the same for the other side. So pretty much it's an easy style where you part your daughter's hair into 5 and then use rubber bands, and then you're gonna have a wonderful result. You guys are gonna see the end result of it. So right now I'm just using the rubber bands on the last quarter of her hair, and then I'm gonna twist the front and I'm gonna style it up with beads and a bow. So just enjoy this process with me. Miss Boss is having her snacks. I twist the front. You can't really see, but yes, that's the final product. I hold it into one. Super cute, super cute. Take the bow and put it on her head. Putting her beads, and then we are done with it. How do you guys like the final result? Personally, I like it. It was easy and she didn't bug me a lot. Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. It's your girl, the fashionable Hannah. Bye.